A 2025 clinical report reveals a shocking truth. The real cause of type 2 diabetes may not be sugar or lifestyle, but a hidden toxic parasite. These microscopic invaders thrive in outdated water systems and silently inflame your pancreas, disrupting insulin production and triggering uncontrollable cravings for sugar and carbs. That's why scientists have developed a natural blood sugar flush, a powerful formula inspired by a lost Mayan diabetes remedy. This isn't another pill or restrictive diet. It's a liquid protocol designed to flush out the toxic parasite cleanse your body needs to restore balance from the inside out. Inside every drop of GlucoFlush, you'll find 11 potent herbs used for centuries to support digestion, immunity, and blood sugar levels. Ingredients like wormwood, clove, black walnut, and papaya seed work together to eliminate parasites, reduce inflammation, and support a healthy pancreas, all backed by Science 2025. Thousands of people are already experiencing the benefits. They're reporting fewer cravings, more energy, better digestion, and stable blood sugar without drugs or injections. Some even say they've lost weight effortlessly simply by removing the parasites that were hijacking their metabolism. This memory-freezing parasite doesn't just affect your gut, it poisons your entire system. But with this natural blood sugar flush, you can finally take back control. The Mayan diabetes remedy at the heart of GlucoFlush is now available in a modern, easy-to-use liquid form, and it's changing lives. If you've been struggling with blood sugar issues, fatigue, or unexplained weight gain, this may be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The 2025 clinical report reveals how a toxic parasite cleanse can restore your body's natural rhythm, and why this solution, backed by Science 2025, is unlike anything you've tried before. Watch until the end to discover how this natural blood sugar flush is helping thousands reclaim their health, and how you can start your own transformation today.